Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Friday the 25th of September 2015. And yesterday's morning in the pre-market was very quiet. We started off with a long at 750 and then the market just had this shakeout, taking the stop out, and then the market coming back and sitting back above the psychological level of 16,250. The market then broke below it and then they brought the market back, and this is because they were waiting for the speeches from Draghi and one or two other European economic news items around this time. The market then saw the Norwegians reduce their interest rate by 0.75%, and this sent the market higher. So there was all sorts going on yesterday morning in this pre-market session. We then had another buy there that then reversed, and then eventually the market actually broke. And here we see this support here, once again the 16,250 being held, and then eventually the market had to give way, and then we're past the pre-market times and the market moving down over 250 points, and this continued on all the way through the start of the official session. You can see there the selling coming into the market, and this bar here and signal is a dangerous one because you've already got a significant drop in the background if you measure from the low to the high, because the market will always find some sort of strength no matter what. If we go down to here, this is the before the signal, nearly 300 points. So you're pushing your luck on getting short and going lower after a 300 point move in the background. Although the market did start to go lower, it then reversed and came back. And of course, through the quieter time of this session, the market moves lower, again finds support, and now we have, again, just to remind you, that pattern that we're seeing an awful lot of at the moment is the pre-close rally. And again, yesterday, right on cue, 6:35, we get a signal and the market rallies back up several hundred points, as you'll see from just drawing in here up to here. You can see there just under 200 points for yesterday's pre-close rally there. During the night, this is the Fed chair giving a speech on the Massachusetts University, I think. The market rallying off this news and then trading sideways, and has since done absolutely nothing. So there's no volatility in the pre-market, even though China's market is down. So this morning I would stand aside on the pre-market. There's not enough volatility on the overnight, and the reason you can conclude that is because we got so many signals there that are black, which means that they haven't made their scalp, and they've come back towards the stops there. So that's how you can determine. We've got this one where it went short, obviously hit its 20-point scalp, and since then the market's gone into a narrow range. So there's no point really in at this point in time trading the pre-market, because there's just not enough volatility for today. But like I said this the other day, and then the market just slid down 300 points, which it could quite easily do. But you have to take a view. But at the moment, I can't see there's enough in there. It's just trading, bouncing up and down of this line. So in the daily chart, you can see they've bought the market back. I've told you they don't want this market to go down. They're not doing their damnedest. We got close to the 16,000 level, which I spoke of yesterday. The low for yesterday was 16,014. So we're 14 points off that magical psychological 16,000 level there. So you see the market being brought back here, and it looks like it's going to move north. And again, this is the market loves Yellen, and the bankers love Yellen because she's the one who's, along with her colleagues, have printed all the money that's given them the bonuses. So if she's coming out with something that's positive to move the market, then they will be happy. But they don't like the lack of conviction to say whether they're going to raise rates or not. And she did utter yesterday that they intended to raise rates before the end of 2015. Well, that makes it December then before she has to hold true to her word. I mean, the credibility's gone down the pan a bit from last week, but that's what she said in her speech. And it's odd that they keep wheeling these Fed people out to pump up the markets. especially you know, they tend to speak in the last half an hour or so of the market as well. Very strange, along with the PPT, no doubt. So yeah, a bit of upside on this one, but like I say, the 16,000 is a crucial target for this market. And in the implied volatility, this increased yesterday to 1962, up slightly there for Thursday's session. And a quick look at the Far East, down 1.79 for the Chinese market at the moment. And again, the 3,000 level is the important level on this one. And again, that's when the People's Bank of China come back in and buy the markets at those levels. So we're off that a bit at the moment, but just be aware of that. Right, that's it for me for today. I will see you in Monday's edition of the Market Alert. Have a great weekend. And as ever, thank you for your support. And also for watching. See you in the next one.